it while the back is going. Y'all saw? If you want to see how I achieve this quick, simple, easy puff on my short, awkward length hair, stay tuned. Okay, today is about to be the most simplest puff for short, awkward hair. So of course, you know, first and foremost, we gotta go in with these edges. Let's see if I do them right today. Yeah. Me and edges are just not MFing friends. I do my edges first because for some reason, if I try to do them after, be having all this hair sticking up, and my hair just does not like that. What do I wanna do with you? You see my okay. Gotta pull that out. I don't know why I'm obsessed with this, but I am. If I could do the little Ashanti, sideburns, oh my G. Okay, it's not supposed to go down that far. If I could do the Ashanti sideburns, y'all would not know what to do with me. We are done with the edges. Okay, now for this part, you use your oil of choice and you take out your hair and kind of just finger through it, not touching the curl. You see my baby curls, right? We're not trying to really manipulate that as much. We're more so touching the middle and the roots. Take all these hair ties out. My hair is actually slick all the way dry. If you guys want to see how I prep my hair before I do this, definitely check out, I don't know if I said this already, but definitely check out my curly hair routine, because this is basically the staple for all my styles, especially right after I wash. Okay, so now take your oil of choice. Mine is, of course, the Dollar Tree brand, Salon Selectives. But I don't know anymore, because now stuff is about to be $1.25, and like, I just don't know how to feel about that. Okay, I'm trying to do it where it's not that frizzy. It's hard because my hair is, you know, at that awkward length. So it's not like I can just like only touch one thing and not touch the others, y'all know? My curl's still curly. Okay. Definitely make sure I get the back. The back actually dried the best. Okay, now for the fun part. So I'm about to put some oil on this. I want to show y'all, but I don't know how I'm gonna be able to show y'all. Hold on, let's see. So, can y'all see? Yes, y'all can see. Like, can y'all see? Yeah. I'm gonna take my oil and massage it on there. Massage it. Yeah. Oh shit. And then we get to picking. Especially the middle. You want to make sure that there's no like, not a lot of division. That's why I really should have made sure. That I prepped this right as far as like how I separated my hair, because nobody wants a middle part in their puff. Y'all saw that? I know y'all saw that. It's okay. Now we get our molding tools. So first and foremost, styling foam. I'm obsessed with it. You will never not see me use it, honestly. Just take that, put it on the perimeters. Definitely the back, because that's where our hair is the shortest at least for me. Always focus on your short points, because that's gonna be the thing hanging out, like they don't care about you, you know? Then take your black girl brush and brush up. Brush your whole perimeter up. Even the sides, don't forget the sides. You see already, I'm molding. Now we're gonna take the Eco Styler. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Yes, this is a coconut oil Eco Styler container, but I have flaxseed oil in it. I bought a little big thing, and then whatever container I have left, I use that. So yeah, I'm resourceful up in this. You have to be resourceful with natural hair, man. This products are expensive. You gotta get it how you get it. You see it's on my ear. Ew. And then you take black girl brush again. And now for the magic. Okay, for this part, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. I use a shoestring. Yes, a shoestring, preferably the color of your hair. But the reason why I use a shoestring, let me brush this up a little more. The reason why I use a shoestring is because my hair is too like fine for like the hair clips. I mean like, not hair clips, the little hair things, because they just slip out. And because my hair is, you know, in the awkward stage, this gives me control to tighten it however tight I want to tighten it. So you put it in the back. I still want y'all to see. Okay. Y'all want to see the front or the back? Y'all can't tell me. Okay, I'm going to show y'all the back because it's pretty cool. So, you tie it, like, you know, tie it. And then you lift it up. But this part is so cool because the back just goes like, shroom. So, and you tighten it while the back is going. Y'all saw? Okay. Now we're going to tie this. Well, bring it around town. Was it? You do the loop-de-loop and pull. Was that the same episode? The SpongeBob, y'all? Y'all know. Okay, and then you just go around and make sure that your hair is happy where it's at. Ooh. Okay, and once you do that a little bit, take your handy dandy bobby pins. Definitely have to use bobby pins because again, my hair will just slip out. You just saw the little piece. So I put the bobby pins like around, like to where like I keep saying like to where the shoestrings, what are they called? I know what they're called. Freak, I forgot what they're called. You know the little lace little part? It has a name for it. Wow. But you take that, make sure you got those parts down, and then I get the front sides down too. Cause you don't want this slipping nowhere, okay? You want it to stay secure. Okay. And now you just fluff your hair around. You can use your pick too. I use my hands first because I want to make sure that I can feel where I'm pulling. You do the loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking good. But look at these curls, all from my curly hair routine. Yes. Okay. And of course, over the days, like however long you keep it puffing, it will get fuller. So you don't have to necessarily you don't have to fluff it out as much. I'm fluffing it out because I'm pretty sure I'm not leaving this puff in for that long. It's just until my pre-birthday, my pre-birthday hair, I do that. So yeah, this is just temporary because I wanted to give my hair some rest. I've been manipulating it and she just wants to chill. You do the loop-de-loop and pull. Make sure you get that middle. You don't want your perimeter looking like wow, and then your middle looking like where is it? But yeah, this is it. You see, I'm never gonna be done fluffing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Because, girl, we at that awkward stage now, and I'm gonna give you guys the deets to, you know, doing cute styles without having to do the most, okay? Get at you, girl. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, okay? It's my birthday month. It's actually my birthday week, so don't forget about me. Don't forget about me. But okay, bye.